In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Data Studio report. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, this guide will walk you through the process in a clear and comprehensive way, ensuring you can create meaningful visualizations from your data effortlessly. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Looker Studio website. It's the central hub where all your data magic begins. Make sure you have your Google account logged in before you proceed, as this is essential for accessing and utilizing the full features of Data Studio. If you're not logged in already, take a moment to do so now. It will make the coming steps much smoother. Once you're on the Looker Studio homepage and logged in, look for the Create button. You'll find it prominently displayed on your screen. Clicking this will open up a variety of options for creating different types of projects. For our purposes today, you want to select Report. This will serve as the foundation for your data analysis and visualization. The next crucial step is connecting your data source. Click on Connect to Data and you'll see a variety of options to choose from, such as Google Analytics, Google Ads, Google Sheets, BigQuery, and more. Depending on where your data currently resides, you'll select the appropriate source. This is a key decision as it determines what data you'll be working with and how you can analyze it. After selecting your data source, it's time to authorize it. This means granting Google Data Studio the necessary permissions to access your data. Don't worry, this is a standard procedure and it ensures that your data privacy is respected all the way through. After authorizing, simply click on Add to Report. Your data is now ready for you to work with. Now comes the fun part, customization. Google Data Studio offers a variety of tools to help you design your report to fit your specific needs. Play around with different charts, graphs, and styles to discover a layout that best represents your data. Customization allows you to tell a story with your information, making it a powerful tool for presentations and analysis. Once you finalize your report and you're satisfied with how it looks, you're ready to share it with others. Click on the Share button to start collaborating with colleagues or stakeholders. Data Studio also offers options for automation so that your reports can be updated in real time or on a schedule, ensuring that you always have the most relevant insights at your fingertips. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've created a comprehensive Google Data Studio report. This powerful tool can transform how you view and use data, enhancing both your understanding and presentation of complex information. Happy reporting!